Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we are reviewing the MSI Codex R2 gaming desktop featuring the Intel Core i5-14400F and RTX 4060. Click the link below for the best price. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable pre-built gaming PC that's powerful enough for 1080p and 1440p gaming, while staying future-ready and upgrade-friendly, the MSI Codex R2 delivers a solid balance of performance, design, and value. Let's kick it off with the CPU. The Intel Core i5-14400F is a 14th Gen hybrid processor with 10 cores and 16 threads, offering great multitasking power for modern gaming, streaming, and productivity. Whether you're diving into multiplayer titles, editing clips, or multitasking with Discord and OBS running, this chip handles it all smoothly. Paired with it is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 GPU, offering excellent performance for popular AAA titles and competitive games alike. With support for DLSS 3, ray tracing, and efficient power usage, the RTX 4060 delivers impressive visuals and frame rates in both 1080p and 1440p resolutions. Games like Cyberpunk 2077, Call of Duty Warzone, Fortnite, and Apex Legends run beautifully, even with settings cranked up. On the memory front, you're getting 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, offering fast response times and plenty of headroom for gaming, streaming, and multitasking without slowdown. It's also easily expandable, so you can bump it up down the line if needed. For storage, the 1TB M.2 SSD offers lightning-fast boot times, rapid game load speeds, and enough room for your core games, files, and applications. With Gen 4 speeds, everything feels responsive and snappy right out of the box. The system is powered by an 80+ Gold certified PSU, which ensures efficient and stable power delivery while keeping the thermals and noise levels in check. It's a solid foundation for reliable performance and supports future upgrades like more storage or GPU swap. Design-wise, the MSI Codex R2 comes in a sleek, modern mid-tower chassis with excellent airflow, clean cable management, and a DIY-friendly layout. That means future upgrades, whether it's more RAM, a second drive, or a GPU upgrade, are easy and straightforward. You also get built-in Wi-Fi, so you're ready to game wirelessly without needing extra accessories. Also included in the box are a matching MSI keyboard and mouse, so you're ready to go right out of the gate. Whether you're a first-time PC gamer or just looking for a great value bundle, this setup checks all the boxes. And of course, it runs on Windows 11 Home, giving you access to all the latest features like Auto HDR, direct storage support, and improved window management, perfect for both gaming and productivity. To wrap it all up, the MSI Codex 2 South African rand is a great choice for gamers who want strong performance, upgrade potential, and plug-and-play convenience. With the Intel Core i5-14400F, RTX 4060, 16GB DDR5, 1TB SSD, and a clean, functional design, it's ready to handle your favorite games today and grow with your needs tomorrow. Click the link below for the best price on the MSI Codex R2 and level up your gaming experience with a reliable, future-ready desktop.